What we're doing here is a proof of concept test with our homemade wax slugs, and they're not really very happy in the cold weather here. They're kind of coming apart. So what I've got is just some real cheap. This is Remington 12 gauge. This is just your standard close range low brass gun club. So this is like skeet rounds. That's about as crappy as you can get. And then one step below that, of course, is the Walmart special Federal stuff. And this is just straight wax slug. Like I said, the cold weather is not really liking it. And then this one, I have added some 45 bullets that are down inside there to give it some extra weight. And so we're going to have a little test here against our Coleman Volunteer, just to see the real difference in what is coming out of the end of the muzzle. It's cold and it's getting dark, but what the hell. Okay, so the first one is just going to be this low brass gun club skeet shooting crap, and I'm shooting it out of my old Marlin, so this will be fun. In fact, I'm a little nervous. Pellet spread might hit the camera. Here we go. Skeet round. Pellets. Flattened pellets all over out here. The shot itself went in low. Right here. I was aiming right there, so we're already starting to dip a little. But I expect the next ones to be more interesting. Alright, this is one of my wax rounds. And like I said, the cold is really starting to affect them, especially since I left these out in the truck all day and all night. So I don't know if they're going to hold together in a big clump or not. But I would expect to see a considerable improvement in the amount of damage. Actually, when I slammed it closed, all this just rolled out the end of the barrel. I think wax rounds are really only feasible for the warm weather folks, but let's give it a try. Same distance. Here we go. Well, I mean, first off, you can see that we had full penetration. So that wax round, despite my fears, held together completely. And of course, the exit is phenomenal. Big old hole blown inside there. Oh, look at that wick. I don't even know how these things work. Alright, now the last one. This is the same cheap, low grade stuff that is sold in Walmart and in bricks of 100 rounds for 20 bucks. It's about the cheapest possible crap. Tin, low shoulder tin shells. You know, they're Federal. They're not even head stamped with a maker's mark. But instead of just the factory birdshot and wax, I've got a 45 caliber slug inside with it. Here we go. When I made these, I stole some of my wife's candles. You can smell seasonal spices whenever I shoot it. What do we got over here? Oh, we got poor shot placement. That's what we have. Look at that grazing shot right there. Just grazed past. But you'll notice that she came through in one continuous thing. Alright, now this one, I have a much higher wax ratio to BBs. We'll see what that does. And I've been shooting from about 25 yards. Let's just hit it close. It's gonna be loud. Another wax round. In both cases, you'll notice that the placement, instead of spreading out and spraying, they stayed in one clump. This stuff, this homemade stuff, is what I'm hoping to be able to use with the high-speed camera. Now, can I put it on top of that? No. That went right in there. I do not know what it is. I have never, ever been any good at shooting stuff with a shotgun. As those of you who watched our TV skeet, where we blew a TV 40 feet in the air with an airbag and I tried to shoot at it, yeah, I've never been any good with a shotgun. But I can do this.